do battery on try hack me now. Let's go ahead and start exiting out some of this stuff too. There's a lot of stuff open here. That should be enough. Okay. All right. So we'll start with the rust scan here for the IP address, right? It's like my phone's being weird. See if that works a little better. Phone died, but it's on the charger. All right, so we got port 22 and 80 up. Let's go and check out that port 80. We'll curl it first. So it takes me a second to get back to you guys. That's why phone died. Okay, nothing crazy in here. Doesn't look like right now. Frank, what's up? You're not AFK. What is this? Oh no, I'm not AFK now. No. All right. And then we get this cool little battery thing right here. Let's go ahead and check out that site like real quick. Battery by Cyberbot. Let's go ahead and control U that. Yep, exactly what we saw with the curl. See if we have anything in here. Nothing. Okay. Let's go ahead and Fearox Buster this guy right here. We'll leave that PHP and text in there just in case. Let's see what we get over here. If we get anything cool. Anything back on this. Okay. It's kind of annoying. Alright, let's go ahead and do a Fearox Buster. It's text C, right? To not see something. Much better. We got acc.php and admin.php. Let's go check out both of those like real quick. It's probably going to take a minute to actually open up with .php, which redirects to admin.php. So don't need to worry about that quite yet. And that looks like everything. Okay. Oh, we got a new user, bake of ABCDEF user log. Okay, new user register here. Let's go and do that. Username caret ABC, I guess. Don't know what that matters. Register successfully. Okay. So I'm going to try to log in. PHP session ID. Nothing crazy happy side there. Command? What is command? Only admins can access this page. Oh, they kicked out. Okay. Okay. Can we do SQL injection, I'm wondering? We could register. So, can we do some SQL injection? Or something like that? Let's see what else we got. See what else we got inside here before we try SQL injection. Dashboard. Okay, withdraw money, deposit money, transfer money, my account. And only admins can access that, then we get kicked out. That's kind of annoying, isn't it? Okay, so as soon as we try to access something that we can't, we just get kicked out, huh? Okay. There's nothing else in here. Let's try something else. Let's go ahead and get rid of that text in PHP for now. And hopefully it's not something wrong with that, because that's going to take a while to get to. So report. I like how you immediately get kicked out. Imagine that in real life. Go to a site and only admins get here and just get kicked out of the site. Like, oh, okay, very well. My fault. It's probably gonna take a minute to get there because we're still running that Fear Buster on it with 300 threads. Maybe report is what we need. Hopefully it is. We're gonna be running this again. Okay, so it downloaded a file. Okay. Just gonna bring everything over. See what this is. Elf. Okay, strings it. We'll save that in report.txt. Okay, cool. So we do see this. Okay. Oh, list of active users, huh? Okay, so we get a list of active users like right there. So we have support, contact, cyber, admin, SAM, admin, super user control, and IT admin. All those seem like they're admins, like right there. Admin bank a password update successfully. Huh. Check users, add user, delete user, change password, clear. Sorry, you can't update the password. Welcome guest. Okay. So we have something weird going on here. And now I'm wondering if we can huh. Alright. Let's try a couple different things with this admin. I don't know, shellfish. I just like Fear Buster. I just use it the most. I don't know. It looks prettier. I don't know. I have no idea. admin at bank A, admin 0 at bank A. Desktop, try hack me. It's called now. What's this one called? Battery. Forgot how to do this. View project maybe? No, that's what we just made. Import file. I just forgot how to do this. Report. Okay. Alright, there we go. Okay. So we are looking for that update, right? Where? Update. That's what we want. Users probably should have actually had to compile it off. Close report. Don't save. File, import file, report. Say report 1. Yes. Analyze. Okay. This isn't really giving me much now, is it? Let me see here. Alright. There's update. Okay. There's all the users. Okay. Update. Check users, add user, delete user, change password, update. Stack that. Entry point. Don't care. Update. That bank. String CMP. Isn't that bad? String CMP? I feel like that's bad. Password update successfully. Admin at bank.a. Can't update the password. One second. Let's see if this works. Like right here, DZ64. If this does work, DZ64 can tell you why it works. I can't tell you why it works, but if this works, something bad happened. That's different now, isn't it? 1 second. So did we just change the password? Something bad happened. Okay, no, we did not. Okay, I feel like it's something to do with that, like right there. Okay. I feel like we're getting somewhere. Oh, man. And I also feel like we put in... Ooh, I know. Drop that request. Whatever, just forward, I don't care. Okay, yep, something bad happened, okay. One second, register me. Send a repeater. Register successfully. Okay. I think we can now log in like that. Forward. Okay. Turn that off. Log in. Yep. Okay, cool. Why that works, I have no idea. DZ64 maybe will explain it, why that works, the percent sign 00. I think because if it equals 0 or something like that, then it does it. Then it's something to do with how if it equals 0. But I'm sure someone on the YouTube will, hey, this is why. But I know it has to do something with equaling 0 and making that be true. Okay. I believe it's something to do with that. Maybe someone on Twitch will chime in, but I do not know. But we have become at least admin on the machine now. Okay. Can we go to commands now? Sorry, account number is not active. My account number, message, transfer money, deposit. Okay, so we're getting everywhere that we could before. Well, we're getting to other places where we couldn't before. String compare. Yeah, return 0 with string matches. Yeah. So pretty much it returns as true, right? Pretty much. Okay. Now let's go ahead. Let's start to actually capture everything in here and see what we're dealing with here. So I'd rather go to command, would probably be the one that I want to go to. That's forms. Okay. Let's just go ahead and just throw some random crap into here and see what we get back. XML version 1. All right. Let's go ahead and look up XML or XXE. Hack tricks. All right. And I'm probably going to take some notes on this also because I'm not too good at XXE. Hey, Nick Histrian, thank you very much for the follow. All right. So we got to throw some entity system to our website, follow the path, URL, parameter, main attacks. Okay, here we go. Okay. Thinking something like that. Doc type foo, and then do we need to call for foo afterwards? Some of that. Let's go and throw this into there. Let's go and send this to repeater first off, just so I can start seeing stuff. If we send that off, do we get anything? Something quick and easy. Okay. Nothing yet. That's okay. I think I need to actually call to it to an actual portion though, right? Or do you think I have to like base 64 encode it or something like that? Is there a base 64 one in Tactrix? Yeah, let's try this guy right here. Yeah, I think I had to drop the data, don't I? Have to do something like that, like where I have to actually call for it afterwards. Remember doing that with EWPT. Was having to actually call for it also. That's probably not helping out too much either. I think I have to actually call for food, don't I? I'm gonna have to actually do that or no? According to Hacktrix, yeah, data and example. Okay, not food, but example, because it's running an example like right there. That's why. Okay, let's send that off. Make sure you start taking notes also in Obsidian over here for XXE. Then we'll go ahead and we'll grab that. We'll do XXE. Throw it up into the web. And then we're just going to throw this like right here into there. And then I want to go ahead and copy all that. Okay. But now that was not working. I wonder if we need to base 64 encode it or something like that. So let's go ahead and try that like real quick. This little base 64 encoding. And we'll go from there. We had the PHP filter over here, right? Yep, something like that. Okay, let's go and try that like right there. Let's go and send that off. Nothing. Okay. Doc type replace entity. Why are we replacing anything? We don't need to replace anything, right? Just doc type. Right? Actually, I don't think that replace actually did anything. I don't think that was actual like something bad like right there. Let's go ahead and actually search for this. Let's name this search. And then under search, we'll put down our example, right? And search. Let's go and try that. Or we could just let that example as an example down there. All right, goes like that, right? Is that how it goes? Huh. Oh, I knew it. Nothing. Let's try foo. Oh. Let's go ahead and get rid of this data like right here. That might be messing it up. Ah! Okay, we got something. Alright, cool. We 100% got something. I'll say, I know we should be getting something back with this somewhere along the lines. And we did. Shellfish. Yes. I would say yes. If anything, just the research alone that goes into it. Alright. Let me go and copy all that. Okay. Cool. Alright. Now, let's go ahead and not so base 64 this. Can I just actually just, okay, there we go. Thank you. Can we make this bigger? Okay, so we have Yash, Y-A-S-H. Can we look at home Yash .ssh IDRSA? Is that a file in here? No, it's never that easy, is it? Okay. That's okay. We actually have to be able to call for a file. So now that we just, okay. Let's go ahead and let's start reading everything that we found so far. And what would be the most important information to read inside of a bank? We have my account. We have transfer money, deposit money, withdrawal, dashboard. I'll say my account. My account will probably have the most credentials in it, right? And at least an account number. So let's go ahead and try to look at var www.html /acc.php. Will that work? It does. Okay, cool. So let's try to do that like right there and see if we can get some information about an account or if we can get some credentials or some of that. Okay. Oh, we do get credentials. My creds. Right in the middle of the page. That was an easy day. All right, cool. So cyber, super secure, and password. Exclamation point. Can we SSH is that? I already forgot the IP address for this guy. 10.10.222.80. Whoops. Just yes. Sorry. Okay. Sudo tech L. All right. Looks like we can run home cyber run.py. Let's go ahead and oh, we are cyber. If we can run run.py as sudo, then that means that we can just put whatever the hell we want there. So let's go ahead and nano run.py. And this does not even exist. Oh, permission denied. But we should be able to delete it though. Because if we can run that, if it's in my home folder, then I can delete it and just make another one. And then just import OS, and then pretty much do exactly what we did before for os.system, which we all know DZ64 loves that. He wants me to use subprocess. Change mode U plus S for bin bash. Hopefully I just didn't fuck everything all up. Well, at least we got his SSH, so it doesn't matter. So if we have to reset the box, then we can just do that. User mod tech as bin bash la webs. Wrong type. Okay. Alright, so we're here now, right? Let's go ahead and run that. Sudo user bin python 3. Home cyber run.py. Okay, lstack.la for bin bash. And yeah, that worked. So the reason that works is because it's in his home directory. So if it's in his home directory, he can delete it. He may not be able to change it, which I always thought was super weird. Like, you can't change the file, but you can delete the file. So you can just delete it. I think you can also move it too. You could also change it up. Is that the base flag or no? I don't think that was quite the way I was supposed to do it, like right there. But whatever. Okay, so let's go ahead and actually... I don't think that was quite the way I was supposed to do it, like right there. That's okay. Let's go and check out that user flag now. Was this one called root.txt? It was. Let's just try to find user.txt, I guess. It might have been in that Python script. We might just jacked everything all up. It does work, but we might have not be able to get all the flags now. What about flag2.txt? Okay, there we go. Oh, it's in the ash. Okay. Alright, cool. Don't know if that was quite the way we're supposed to do it, but whatever. We got it, right? So we did some XML. We did some... Man, that was a good one. I like that one.